पार्टी तो कभी से शुरू हुई है।
पर भाई 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 मेरी तो एंट्री नहीं हुई है।
मैं तू मेरे यार तेरे फ्रेंड्स तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड तेरी एक्स तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड का एक्स क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली क्यों हो गए हो गए सारे जंगली इकट्ठे हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे नाच पिजामा पकड़ के पट्टे हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे आज तो पार्टी जब तक फटते नाच पिजामा पकड़ के पट्टे
एक और साल पुरानी हो गई तेरी अलग जवानी कुड़िया की पहले जी अब हो गई तेरी आंटियां दीवानी
आंटियां दीवानी
एक और साल पुरानी हो गई तेरी अलग जवानी कुड़िया की पहले जी अब हो गई तेरी आंटियां दीवानी हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे
नाच पिजामा पकड़ के पट्टे
हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे
आज तो पार्टी जब तक फटते नाच पिजामा पकड़ के पट्टे
बर्थडे है भाई बर्थडे है तेरे भाई का बर्थडे है
कैंडल्स बुझ गई
अब सब में केक बट्टे हैं चिक्स सारी हॉट यहाँ पे कैंप सारे ठंडे हैं टेस्ट खेल लिया पूरे साल
आज तो मेरा बर्थडे है
सारे बोलो हैप्पी बर्थडे जोर से बोलो हैप्पी बर्थडे आवाज नहीं आई हैप्पी बर्थडे लाउड बोलो हैप्पी बर्थडे
अरे बोलो
हैप्पी बर्थडे
फिर से बोलो
हैप्पी बर्थडे
हैप्पी बर्थडे
हैप्पी बर्थडे
हैप्पी बर्थडे
काय झाला? तुझं नाम काय? आऊचू.
तू चले मैं चलूं तू रुके मैं रुकूं अपने तो डेली है नए नए हंगामे तू गिरे मैं थामूं मैं गिरूं तू थामे अपने तो डेली है नए नए हंगामे
जो तेरी डील है वो मेरी डील है विद यू ओ बडी मुझे आती यही फील है
मैं तू मेरे सर गुरु तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड तेरी एक्स तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड का एक्स है एक थाली के सारे है एक थाली के सारे है एक थाली के चट्टे बट्टे
हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे
नाच पिजामा पकड़ के पट्टे
हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे
आज लगेंगे तुझ पे सट्टे नाच पिजामा पकड़ के पट्टे Just one more साल
कुड़िया की पहले जी अब हो गई तेरी आंटियां दीवानी
आंटियां दीवानी
हैप्पी बर्थडे रानी बिटिया ईश्वर जी हैप्पी बर्थडे ईश्वर रानी खुश रहो बच्चों
ईश्वर सत श्री अकाल बच्चे हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू वाहिगुरु ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ खुश रखे खुशियां देवे वाहिगुरु खुश रहो वड्डियां उम्रां करे वाहिगुरु वड्डियां उम्रां करे वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह
Happy birthday, Didi. I know you're gonna have a blast. I know it because I'm obviously giving you a surprise, तो मुझे पता होगा. Happy birthday. May you live the best teens ever. And I don't know how you feel because I am not a teenager, but still love you lots. Have a great day. Have a great year ahead, and just have a great birthday. And I will always love you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Shridhari. Hope you have a nice birthday. Love you. Bye.
Hi Ishrat, happy birthday. It's your first senior, right? You're turning 13 and it's a wonderful age. It's a very delicate age, so I hope you're smart enough. I wish you all the luck and all the smartest in the world, which will make you a better teen, because these are the years which make you who you are. So yeah, let's I hope you do that. Cheers, happy birthday once again and take care.
A very happy birthday, Ishrat.
Oh my god, you're finally a teenager. It's gonna be loads of fun with its ups and downs. If you ever need anybody to talk to, I will always be there for you. Lots of love, party hard. Happy birthday once again. Bye. Hi Ishrat, there's this really nice song that I'd like to sing for you. रूह से बहती हुई धुन ये इशारा दे, कुछ मेरे राज तेरे राज आवारा से। रूह से बहती हुई धुन ये इशारा दे, कुछ मेरे राज तेरे राज आवारा से। खो गए हम कहाँ रंगों सा ये जहां, खो गए हम कहाँ रंगों सा ये जहां। खोई सोई सड़कों पे सितारों के कंधों पे नाचते उड़ते हैं यहाँ। खो गए हम कहाँ रंगों सा ये जहां, खो गए हम कहाँ रंगों सा ये जहां।
Happy birthday, Ishrat, Meri Jaan. Today you have entered your teens. This is a very, very special day for you as you are starting a new phase of your life in the teens. तुम जियो हजारों साल and be happy always. You have to be a role model for your younger sisters. So be very, very careful of what you do. I will always be with you in whatever you do that is right. You know, my day starts with your good mornings and ends with your good nights. Whenever I come back from my office, tired and tensed, but after seeing my granddaughters, I feel fresh, absolutely fresh. All the tiredness gone. All three of you are my lifeline and the reason to live. So stay happy always. God bless you. Have a very, very happy life. Happy birthday once again, darling. Love you.
Hi, happy birthday, my little princess Ishi. How time flies and changes everything. From a little toddler, you entered the teen so fast into a lovely person inside out. Ishi, you have a very pretty smile, so keep smiling. May you always be as you are, innocent, courageous, true, lovable, kind. Wish you lots of sunshine and love so that you keep blooming in your life with happiness and success. Ishi, you are the first great grandchild of the family. Everyone loved you. I remember when you were 2 years old, you used to tell everyone how to sit like a lady. Your dad taught this to you. The whole family used to love you, talking to you, spending time with you. They used to carry you in their arms. They loved you a lot. May today and every day be filled with love and laughter. Lots of love, lots of hugs. May Vaiguruji always be with you.
Happy birthday, Ishrat. Welcome to your teens and have a great time. You are on the threshold of a new phase in your life. So enjoy yourself and be a good girl and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ishrat. So now look forward to see you in a different role.
Love you lots and happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday.
Ishipu, happy birthday! Wait, am I still allowed to call you Ishipu? Deal with it. I think I'll call you Ishipu even when you're 30 years old. You're 13 now. Wow. It's been such a wonderful journey with you, Ishrat. I have had such great memories with you. Ishq, you know, the first time I saw you, I was the one, your parents decided your name, but I was the one to take your name first. So I technically named you. And then, let me see. Oh, the time I visited you guys in Bombay, the moment I stepped out of the flight, I started visualizing, you know, I'll walk down the airport and Ishrat will be standing there. She'll come running to me saying, "Bua," and she'll jump into my arms. And that's actually what happened. The 2-year-old kid, this child full of energy, she shouted "Boo!" and she ran across the airport running towards me. The entire Bombay airport was standstill and staring at you and me, and it was probably, it's the best day of one of the best days of my life. Ishrat, you've been a daughter to me, and I would like to thank Akshay and Kirat for allowing me to be a mother to their daughter, their firstborn, and never letting me feel as if I interfered with their parenting. I'm sure I did, but you guys never let me feel that I did. And thank you for that. It meant the world to me. And Ishrat, thank you for teaching me how to be a great mother, because I think thanks to you, I am a wonderful mother today. I can say that proudly because my daughter keeps telling me that I am a wonderful mother.
Hi.
Yes, so thank you, Ishrat, for making me such a great mother. And I wish you all the best in life and a very, very, very happy 13th birthday from me.
Happy birthday!
From this little kiddo here and from your Fufu. Happy birthday.
mother.
Love you.
Bye!
Happy 13th birthday, beautiful Ishrat. Your birth on this day brought happiness and bundles of joy in my life. You are the first great-grandchild of Gambirs, Sehgals, Sahdevs and Gans. Your birth brought me completeness when I attained grandmotherhood. Love rules and reigns. Live life to the fullest and shower love on everyone. Prayers and wishes for your sparkling future. It's fun to be with you. Lots of love and hugs from Nana. Happy birthday once again. Love, love, love.
Hi Ishrat, happy birthday. Have a great day, have a great year forward. You have just entered your teens. It's going to be a very smooth sail for you because you have a very supportive sister, young and outgoing parents, loving and very affectionate grandparents. It's going to be a smooth sail. These years are very important for you. So apart from whatever your parents and everyone tell you, don't forget to enjoy. Have fun. God bless and a lot of love to you. Take care. I'll see you soon.
Happy birthday, dearest Ishrat. I love you. You are 13 today, and how, elders say that 14th lag gaya hai, so I think let's stick to what the elders say. On your birthday, I just want to tell you one thing, which is, as you're blooming into a young, beautiful, and a confident woman, I would just want you to do one thing. Just be honest and always speak your heart out to your parents. And trust me, you are going to win all the battles in life. And if there's anything that I can ever do for you, I'm a call away. And you know that your Masi loves you the most. Your Mo loves you a lot. And I would be really, really happy to see you, doing good in life and being a successful young girl, So all the best. I love you and just be good always. Mwah.
Hi Ishrat, happy birthday. Hope you have a wonderful year ahead. Welcome to the Teens Club.
and don't be a naughty teen.
Hi Ishrat, wishing you a very very happy birthday. Hope you have a fabulous day and everyone makes it super special for you, all your family and friends. And welcome to your teens.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday from Rania also.
Yes.
Have lots of fun, enjoy your day and send us lots of pictures of your special day.
And as everyone says, you're a choti baby, so remain choti baby. Enjoy your year and give lots of love to everyone. I hope this video makes you happy since everyone says that you're a surprise queen. So I hope you like the surprise created by all the people involved in this, and we are happy to be a part of this. Bye-bye, take care.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Ishrat. May God bless you with loads of happiness in your whole of your life. Now you're really going to enter your teenage. You're going to enjoy so much, have fun. Your life is totally going to be different, but very interesting and full of fun. Loads of love from our side. Love you a lot.
And your best friend gonna be your mom. So always,
yes.
always share your secrets with your mom.
Always.
Sirat will say something for you. Say
Happy
something.
birthday.
Happy birthday, Didi.
Bye.
Hi, love you.
Happy tappity 13th birthday to you, Ishrat. Tap in your happiness and tap away your blues. Now this is your teenage birthday, so I guess time to go down the memory lane a little bit. I still remember my first meeting with you. You were a few-day-old baby and I was on a 2-day trip to Calcutta, and I rushed to see the little fairy who had visited the Gambhir family. And then on my next visit, I saw you a little grown up. But believe me, I was very worried when I saw you having only Maggie for dinner day after day. And I did have a conversation with your mom. But thankfully, the year after that when I came, I saw you having food. So that put a lot of load off my mind. And then each year, I think, I saw a new facet to your personality. One year, I see a graceful dancer. The other year, I see a fish-like swimmer. And then there is a tennis player. And then there is a kirtan doing Ishrat. And finally, one time I also see a grown-up girl going for maths tuition to faraway Salt Lake. My oh my, what a journey. I hope to see many more such facets.
2:13, 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, Ishka. Happy 13th birthday, my baby. I'm not there, but still, I wanted to put those effects for you and make you feel like, yay, it's your 13th birthday, baby. Happy birthday. Finally, it's the day when you can call yourself a teenager. So, madam, welcome to that life. Welcome to the teenage. Welcome to that teenagehood where a girl gets more matured and you'll get to do a lot of things which your kiddo sisters won't get to do. So, darling, welcome to that part of life which is going to be very exciting, and you're going to love every bit of it because you have got wonderful parents to support you and to lead you in the right direction, and will always make sure that before you do anything, we'll always make sure that you have fun. And you have the little one, your sister, who will always look up to you and say, I want to be like Didi. So darling, you have the best people around you, you have the best support system, and I would like to say thank you so much, because because of you the title of hood started for all of us, like a parenthood, motherhood, fatherhood, masihood, bhuahood, I'll say, then grandparentshood, then the sisterhood came. So darling, thank you so much for. And as you know, the number 13 is very close to me because my birth date is 13. So darling, welcome to you being a teenager. And I would like to say one thing to you. There's a saying from Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Okay, the number 13 in Punjabi, we say it, the number is Tera. So the meaning of Tera, it's all his. You are his most loving child. You are his beautiful creation, and you will always be his beautiful and beloved child. So Ishka, lots of love to you, lots of beautiful blessings your way. Enjoy your day. May God bless you. I love you. I just wish that I was there with you, but a tight hug and a kiss. Love you.
Hello Ishrat, this is Bua here. Want to wish you a very, very happy 13th birthday now that you are 13 years old. So, you come in that category of, sometimes you act like 3 years old and sometimes you'll be acting like 30 years old and rarely like a 13-year-old, or maybe mostly like a 13-year-old anyway. So, a very, very happy birthday to you, dear love, and you take care and long life, happiness, good health, and everything that I'm taking a walk, so there are people around, and everything that your heart desires for. May everything come true, your dreams come true, and I'm sure you'll grow up to be a beautiful lady. So look forward to seeing you sometime soon. Bye. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ishrat. God bless you, darling. Hope you have a wonderful year ahead and hope to see you in Australia soon.
Happy birthday, dear Ishrat. Wish you a wonderful, wonderful 13th birthday. You're about to enter a very exciting phase in your life. So make the most of it, and may your teenage years be filled with love and happiness. Lots of love.
What's that? Love? Chalo. Ishwar Didi. Happy birthday, Ishwar Didi. Loudly. Have fun, okay?
Poor thing, he burnt his hand. You can show your finger to Ishwar Didi.
I just burned my hand.
Ishrat, we're so glad to be given this opportunity to wish you on your big, big day, the 13th birthday. Wishing you lots of love, lots of hugs, and lots of blessings. May you always be happy. God bless you. Be a good girl. Bye.
Happy birthday, Ishrat. Hope you have the most wonderful day today. We're very excited for you. She would love to wish you she could talk. She's obviously a little bit cranky today. We just wanted to wish you a really good year, and these are the most wonderful years of your life, the most fun-filled years of your life, so enjoy them.
Yeah, and have a happy birthday, and I hope you have a wonderful day in the year ahead.
Love you. Bye.
Hi Ishrat, happy birthday, and I hope that your lockdown birthday goes really well, and I pray to God that we meet each other face to face and not just virtually in Zoom meetings. But however old you get, I will always treat you the same shit you are.
Hi Ishrat, congratulations on your big 13th. You have officially become a teenager, now a big girl. I'm sure you're very excited to enter this new phase of life, the teen life as they call it. Be ready to have lots of fun, go on new adventures, make new friends, because trust me, this is going to be one of the best phases of your life and this will never come back. So make the best use of it. Be happy, have fun, but whatever you do it responsibly. You are blessed to have parents like Akshay Bhaiya and Kirat Bhabhi. Trust them, confide in them, share your deepest secrets with them, because those are the two people who will remain your best friends forever no matter what, along with your sister Ishana. Ishrat means affectionate, and I have seen you grow from a small baby to a big girl that you are today, and I have seen how caring, loving and affectionate you are towards your family. So be the person that you are, trust yourself, believe in yourself, trust your instincts, because those are the things that will take you places. I am wishing you lots of happiness, good health and success for many years to come. Be brave, be bold and be beautiful like you always are. Love you a lot, miss you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ishrat. A very, very special birthday of a very special girl. May you have a nice, lovely, beautiful life ahead.
and turn out to be the best human being for this whole world, and you make us proud. Wish you all the best always. Love you.
Happy birthday to you.
Ishrat, happy 13th birthday to you. Heartiest congratulations. You are a bloody teenager now.
Awesome. He had it written down.
Happy
birthday, Ishrat. Hope you have an amazing time celebrating with your family.
Hey, I'm family. She's not celebrating with me. Where am I in the party? Where am I in the picture? I need to be there in Kolkata, right?
Happy birthday, dearest Ishrat. Have a great day and a super wonderful year ahead. God bless you with all that you so desire and always keep you happy. Enjoy your special day. Lots of love.
Sashikal, happy birthday, Ishrat. God bless you. Have fun. Enjoy your birthday. Always be happy. Take care. Bye-bye.
Hi Shred, a very happy 13th birthday. So not only are you growing up too quickly, but you're growing up into such a beautiful young lady. And I can't believe you're going to be 13 this year. But as you enter this exciting, adventurous phase of your life, I hope one thing always remains constant, and that you are always surrounded by love. We miss you and we hope to get together soon. Next time you're in Kolkata. But doesn't matter when it is, we are still going to party, we are still going to celebrate your birthday, and hope all your dreams come true. Lots of love from all of us. Bye.
Hey Shipu, I'm not going to ask you whether I can call you that or not, because I will always call you that. My little baby, my little Ishipu, my little princess. Your parents are making the best endeavors that they bring in the best 13th possible for you. It's an amazing feeling turning into a teenager. I just experienced the same a couple of years ago, trust me. Okay, on a serious note, Bacha, have an amazing birthday. Keep doing your parents proud. And my fondest memories of Ishrat was when she was in Bombay and you would come down to the 11th floor from the 13th. Biggest attraction being Big Chachi doing your makeup. Now when I would use all the makeup available at home and pound it upon you, and you would keep glaring at yourself in the mirror looking like a princess, and I would say, Ishi, मैं तेरा vada pav बना दूंगा. That vada pav would send a shiver up your spine and you would run from pillar to post. Mama, he'd make a hamburger of me, he'd make a vada pav of me. That vada pav bit scared you for years, I remember. Even when you were back in Calcutta and I would make a telephone call, that vada pav bit would scare the hell out of you. My little vada pav, one of the prettiest babies I've laid my hands on. God bless you, bacha. You will always be Shipu for me, the little princess. Stay blessed. Have an amazing birthday, bacha. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ishrat. You're officially a teenager now. Wow, darling. This is a great milestone in your life. It marks the beginning of a lot of new opportunities and life experiences that are yet to come. And you have a lot of potential. Believe me, you're a lovely soul and you will do wonderful and make the best out of this age. So just enjoy your life. Wish you a very blessed and a fabulous 13th birthday. Stay happy and enjoy yourself. Congratulations to Kira, Akshay, and congratulations to the lovely grandparents. Thank you.
Hi, happy birthday, Ishrat. God bless you. I just wish all your dreams come true, and may this birthday be your best birthday. Yeah. I have so many memories with you from your childhood, and especially my last 3 Shillong trips where I've had gala time with you, and I've seen you grow year by year, and you're such a beautiful child. God bless you and happy birthday once again, and I'll see you super soon. Bye, darling.
Hey Ishrat, wishing you a very happy 13th birthday. So this is the first year into your teens, and I hope you're geared up for this unexpected journey of your life, which is filled with ups and downs, along which your friends are going to play a very important role, because they're going to make your world definitely a better place. So all I can say is just stick on to your friends, enjoy your life to your fullest, and a very happy birthday once again.
Hi Ishrat, happy 13th birthday. Hope you have a beautiful year ahead and stay blessed. Enjoy yourself, enjoy the new phase of your life, and happy growing up. And happy birthday from your fufu side also. Love you, take care, bye bye.
Hey Ishrat, many happy returns of the day. It's crazy how you girls have grown up so quick. I still remember your mum and us playing in the backyard in Shillong, and yeah, it's crazy how time flies. Anyways, I know we haven't spent much time together, but I really look forward to spending some time with you when I'm back. Anyways, take care of yourself. Hope you have an amazing one, and yeah, best of luck with everything, and many happy returns of the day again.
Happy birthday, Ishrat. I hope you enjoy your day and have a blast. So you're turning a teenager now. Even I turned a teenager a couple of months ago. You know, being a teenager, it's really very exciting and you'll have lots of fun. So just enjoy.
Hi Ishrat. Wish you a very happy birthday. Welcome to your teens. This is the most fun phase of your life, the most fun, the most formative years of your life. And I'm sure they'll make you into a beautiful human being that you are. I may not have many childhood memories of you, but with the enthusiasm that you danced at my wedding, I can never forget that. That was very sweet. This is a beautiful gesture that your friends and family are putting together for you. You're one lucky girl. Enjoy your day, and I just hope you have an amazing day ahead of you. Take care of yourself, darling. Take care.
सत श्री अकाल इशरत, बहुत मुबारक बच्चे. हैप्पी बर्थडे, गॉड ब्लेस यू. खुश रहो, सबनूं खुश रखो. परमात्मा तुहानूं सारी खुशियां देवे. वाहिगुरू जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरू जी की फतेह.
Hey Ishrat, wishing you very happy 13th birthday, and I know with the COVID situation and stuff you may not have all the fun that you want to have, but here's all the love from Hamshir Mamu. I hope you have a wonderful day.
Happy 13th birthday to you. Happy 13th birthday to you. Happy 13th birthday, dear Ishrat. Happy 13th birthday to you. Woo! Happy 13th birthday, Ishrat. I can't wait to meet you.
Happy 13th birthday. We wish we could be there to celebrate with you, and we'll be there in India as soon as we're able to be there, and we have a place waiting for you to come and the family to come and visit too. Hope you have a great year ahead. Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hey Ishrat, happy birthday, and you're 13 finally, and don't think I dress up for you, okay? Not for you. And also, you've always been a very sweet friend, very annoying friend, and I like that, you know. And then also, the memories made with you are very much cherishable and very much uncountable, because like wherever we go, we make thousands and millions of memories together. And be the same, never change. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, Ishrat.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday from Dachi and
Daju. Happy birthday
from Dachi and Daju.
Happy birthday, dear Ishrat.
Happy birthday to you.
Lots and love and blessings. Have a great day.
Ishrat, my little queen, you are now a teen. Hey Ishrat, my little queen, you are now a teen. You mean the world to me, and though it may seem you don't need me anymore, I was the one to have your back when your parents were mean. दाचू पापा ने मुझे आज डांटा दाचू मम्मा ने मुझे डांटा दाचू आप किधर हो? I will not do my birthday if you don't come. You have to come on time and play with me. My Dachu, I love you. Mwah, for giving me that name and so much love. You are like my princess queen. So there you go. My Ishrit, my little queen. You are now a teen. God bless you with a lot of happiness and lots of best wishes. Love you.
Hi, Ishrat Beta. This is your family from Davis, California.
Happy
birthday
to you. Woo! Hi Ishrat, I hope you have a wonderful day with your friends and family. Wish we'll be all together one day and celebrate together. God bless you.
Lots of love and blessings.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ishrat. Happy birthday to you.
Wishing a very happy 13th birthday to our sweet and cute, lovely Ishrat. God bless you. Love you, Sophia Dadi and Dimpy Dada. Love
Happy teenager.
Oof.
Our Ishrat
Love.
teenager.
Love you.
Happy 13th birthday, Ishrat. Seen you as a baby to a growing up teenager, beautiful teenager, I would say. Wish it's a happy and fruitful road you pass by as a teenager, filled with good times and love. Wish you all the success in your education as you grow. Lots of hugs and blessings. Roses are red, violets are blue. People are 13, so are you. Love you.
Congratulations to the family. Love you lots, baby.
Happy birthday, Ishrat. Congratulations. God bless you.
Hi, Ishrat.
Hi. Hi.
It's great to wish you on your 13th birthday. It has to be special. So we will sing a happy birthday for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Ishrat. Happy birthday to you.
Dinosaurs are real. Dinosaurs are real. And please believe me because I saw it on the news.
Very good. Very good. God bless you. May God bless you with all the good marks. Always first in your class, in your college, in your school, in your university.
And if you see the dinosaurs, please warn me.
Take 7. Ishrat, happy birthday. You're going to turn 13. It is a very, very important year of your life. You're going to be entering your teens. It is a very, very special moment for you. and I love you a lot, and I'll always stand by you, and I'll always take care of you. I've got your back, and you can talk to me for anything. We have a bro code. I love you. Happy birthday.
Hi Isha, happy birthday my darling, my princess. You've turned 13 today, my lovely baby. So, finally a teenager, my super excited girl. You know what, Ishrat? I had always thought that whenever I have a daughter, I'm going to name her Ishrat because I love the meaning of the name. It means affection, and it is so true for you. You're so full of love and affection for everyone. I'm so thankful to you, Isha, that you chose me as your mama. That because of you that I have learned what motherhood is all about. You have blessed me with motherhood, my princess. Always remember that mama will always love you. I'll always be there for you. You can share all your secrets, all your fears, anything and everything that you want to with me. I'll always be with you. I love you, my princess, and I pray to God that Babaji, please bless my Ishrat with the best of everything in this world, and I hope that you get whatever you have dreamt of. I love you. I love you so much, Ishrat, and happy 13th birthday once again.